Hi, my name is Guada and today we are practicing reading and writing in Baybayin. You can also download the Baybayin script. It's for free. It's in the description down below. So let's start. What do you think this is? Aso. Aso. How about this word? Duyan. Hammock. Ya. Duyan. How about this word? Halo halo. Halo halo. Halo halo. How about this word? Banig. Mat. Banig. Banig. How about this word? What do you think this is? Pusa. Cat. Pusa. Pusa. How about this word? What do you think this is? Lumpia. Filipino spring roll. Yeah. Lumpia. How about this word? What do you think this is? Baka. Cow. Ka. What do you think this word is? Walis or broom. Walis. What do you think this word is? Sinigang, sour soup. Ga. Sinigang. What do you think this word is? Kalabaw or water buffalo. Kalabaw. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun, and if you want to dive deeper into your Baybayin learning, we have a Baybayin Workbook that you can find in Amazon. The link is in the description down below, or you can use the QR code on the screen. That's it for now, and see you in the next video. Bye!